Vendors are all parties that you pay to supply your company with any kinds of items, goods and/or services. In this video, we will be adding a new vendor to the ERP. This top group box is where we will add the name and registration number, and also the default currency we will use when making transactions with this vendor. In the Accounting tab, we can select Payables for vendors, an account for recording payables to vendors, Advances for vendors, an account for recording advances to vendors, Cash discount for vendors, and Services expenses. Also, we can choose the payment terms, delay terms, Incoterms, destination, and method of delivery. We can also decide to enable the Use Purchase Pro Forma Invoice option. It enables us to issue a pro forma invoice that we have already created in the ERP. The VAT tab is where we add all the information about the value add tax of the goods and services provided by the vendor where applicable. The Contacts tab allows us to add the billing and shipping address of the vendor. You should also notice the green Copy To button that allows us to copy the billing address to the shipping address if they are the same. In this tab, we can also add the phone number, email, and website of the vendor. With the Contact Persons tab, we are able to add the contacts of specific people in the vendor's company. It could be the owner, manager, accountant, etc., or all of them. The Bank Account tab allows us to add the bank account details of the vendor. Under the Settings tab, we can change the default language, service provider, and EDI identifier. The CRM tab allows us to add information of the vendor to the CRM and assign the employee who will be managing it. Once all the information is added, do not forget to save your work.